Okay, so in today's notes, we can use trigonometric ratios when we're given an angle and some side lengths to find a missing length. These ones will specifically, when I have a triangle with an angle, I will only be using sine, cosine, and tangent. Remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So what I want to do is I want to take a look at my triangle and see what I am given. So this is my angle. I have the hypotenuse and I have the side adjacent. So adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. And then I have my 30 degrees. It goes adjacent over hypotenuse. And then, I didn't want to write x. It has adjacent over hypotenuse, and my hypotenuse here is 8. So what I want to do is I want to solve and get the x alone. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 8 to get rid of the 8 on the fraction. Over here, the phrase cosine 30 is one piece. I can't multiply the 8 to the 30 there. So then that cancels out. Then to solve this piece, I'm going to go to Desmos. And I'm going to click on this little wrench up here. And where it says radians and degrees, I want to make sure I click on degrees. So when I type it in, my answer is correct. I type 8 cosine 30, and this gives me 6.928. I'm going to round to the hundredths place, so it's going to be 6.93. Okay. Same thing over here. So this is my given. I have opposite and hypotenuse, so this would make this sine. X over 13. So what I want to do is to get rid of the fraction, I multiply both sides by 13. It cancels out over here. And then I have 13 sine 30. I'm going to go to Desmos and use that as my calculator. And this one gives me 6.5. Okay, so take a few minutes, pause, and then come back when you're ready, and I will go over the last two on the video. Okay, this one I have my hypotenuse and my adjacent, so this one's going to be cosine. Okay, then I want to multiply both sides by 12. This side cancels out. I have 12 cosine 30, so I'm going to go back to Desmos. And this one is 10.39. Okay. Over here, I have opposite and hypotenuse, so this one is going to be sine. And then I want to multiply both sides by 12. So I have 12 sine 30 that I'm typing in. That's weird. Huh. There we go. And I get 6.